Hello everyone in Sri Lanka, this is from Melbourne. We've organized a silent rally here in support and to show you our thoughts and our love. We know that you can't get out on the streets with everything going on, so we thought we'd have this together and show solidarity and show that we love you and we're here for you.
We will all rise together and we're all with you, and we hope and pray that everything will be okay again.
Nothing will really divide us, and all our love and our prayers are going to everybody, not just those who were directly affected, but every single individual in Sri Lanka.
To all my loved ones and my fellow Sri Lankans back at home, I just wanted to say to stay strong and stay safe, and that I love you, and we are united and we will rise again together, and we're here for you, support you in Australia every day, every day.
To the people of Sri Lanka, I want to extend my love and thoughts, and so deeply sorry that violence has had such a huge cost in your community.
To our brothers and sisters in Sri Lanka, we just want to say that we're here together as solidarity, part of the solidarity, and we just want to say our thoughts and prayers are with you.
It doesn't matter your race, religion, where you're from, who you believe in. We're all united as one.
We'd just like to express our deepest sympathies to everyone that's back home. We see you, we're here for you in whatever way we can be. We send in our love and our strength.
Ang ay ginahita ganwa bang tuk matupunta godak dukay mahinwa oya. I really hope that you find the strength both here and over there to get through it, because we're 100% thinking of you and supporting you. It may not seem like it right now, but it will be okay.
I'm a Sri Lankan Muslim. Actually, yeah, what has happened in Sri Lanka has put all of us in shock. This is just a small minority group. They don't represent Sri Lankan Muslims or any Muslims in the world, you know. So we totally pray and hope that there should be peace in our mother country.
Please, social media, don't spread racism. Be together, be kind to everyone, and please stand together.
I'm Mohammed. I'm a Muslim, Sri Lankan Muslim. I'm from Kandy. Last Easter Sunday, the attack, I strongly condemn as a Muslim, as a human, as a Sri Lankan. We all have to respect humanity and spread love. There are no words to say. It's heartbroken. Peace. Thank you.